Hello geometry students. The goal of this video is to talk about side angle side for similarity. So what this theorem says, if you have two sides that are proportional and the angle between the two sides is given, then the two triangles are similar. So for clarity, I'm going to draw this here. I'm going to make the blue triangle. I'm going to scale it down to this red triangle. And for clarity, I need two sides to be congruent, and then the angle between the two sides that I am marking, that angle that I'm highlighting here in yellow, notice it is between the two sides that are given. I'm highlighting those in pink. If the sides are proportional and the angle is the included angle, then the triangles are similar. Let's take a look at the examples on this page. So if we look at example 6, are the triangles similar? Well, first, we know that the vertical angles are congruent. So we have two sides and the included angle in both triangles. And now we need to check the fractions or proportions. When you check the proportions, you always take the ratio of the small side to the small side, and you check to see if that is equal to the large side over the large side. So in the triangle on the left that's highlighted in yellow, the small side is 12, and in the other triangle, the small side is 16. So I'm going to check, is 12 over 16, is that the same as, now I go back to the triangle on the left, 15 over 20. So you always want to take small to small. So I'm taking the 12 here to the 16. Those are the two small sides. And I'm checking to see if that's equal to 15. And I got to go back to the triangle on the left over the 20. So I have to check to see if those fractions are equal. When I divide those on my calculator, both of those decimals are 0.75. And since the angle is the included angle, these are similar by side angle side, since the sides are proportional and we have the included angle. And now I'm going to write the triangle similarity sentence. So if I say triangle TUX, that is similar. Now T is along the short side. So the short side is V. Angle U matches up with W, and then the X matches up with X in the middle. So as stated in the previous example, the sides need to be proportional and that you need the included angle. If you look at this, you have 12 and 6, you're dividing by 2. You have 22 and 11, you're dividing by 2, so the sides are proportional. However, in the triangle on the left, angle J is not between the two given sides, nor is angle F between the two given sides. So these are not similar by side angle side for similarity. The angle must be the included angle. What I mean by that is I needed to know angle L would be the same as angle G, but that's not given. The last example 8 here, are the following triangles similar by side angle side? And there's some empty space down at the bottom of the page that you can take notes. I'm going to draw it on this page so it's easier for everyone to see. So we need to check if the sides are proportional and we have the included angle. So I see a big triangle, and I'm going to draw that here. So I see the large triangle, AEC, and the length of AC is 18. I got that by doing 8 plus 10. The length of EC is 6 plus 7.5, which is 13.5. And I'm going to draw the little triangle here, just for completeness. DBC. and we have 10 for BC and 7.5 for DC. Now for this particular problem, we do have the included angle. The included angle is angle C. It is common to the both triangles. So we do have the common angle, and now we need to check the fractions. Is 18 over 10, is that the same as 13.5 over 7.5? 18 divided by 10 is 1.8, and using my calculator, 13.5 divided by 7.5 is 1.8. So these are similar by side, angle, side for similarity. And now I'm going to write my triangle sentence. If I said triangle AEC, and it's helpful if you draw the two triangles, because now you can see that A goes with B, the E goes with D, and the C goes with C.